You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. In Spanish, the meaning is English. Alright, so that's Spanish for the word English. So somebody who is from England, or something that is from England that is English, in Spanish is pronounced as Inglés. Inglés. Because you have this accent on the E, it means the stress is on that second syllable. Okay, so it's not Inglés, but Inglés. Inglés is how you say English, the Spanish pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.